In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox ping spikes on your PC. Now the first thing you can do is, if you have the Roblox player installed, find it and go to Properties, Compatibility, activate these two, apply an OK, and see if that works. Now if that still doesn't work, you might have some internet issues, so we can try and change our DNS server. Come here and search for Network Connections, right click, Properties, Internet version 4, double click, use the following DNS and type 88888844. Press OK and see if this one works. Now if that still doesn't work, what you can do is find your internet, right click, disable, and then right click, enable. This is gonna help it for some people. And if none of these work, there's two more solutions. Come here and search for network reset. Reset now, and this will restart your PC. And if that still doesn't work, the last option is to find your router inside of your house. Once you've found that, you want to unplug it for a few minutes and then plug it back in to restart your internet. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.